guys, I'm going to be demonstrating whatever the word is. I'm going to be showing you how to make one of these. It's a sign that you can hang on your door handle, and mine says right here, my mom helped, it says, "Do not forget to knock." And I'm going to be showing you, it doesn't matter what paper, but it's best if you have kind of thick paper, a little thicker than the paper that builders use. And I'm going to show you how to use this, okay? And I'm going to start. And since you guys don't have one of these, but I'm going to use it, and the first time you guys try to make it, if you want to like have a sign or something and try it out, then you can use it the way how I'm going to do it. So I'm going to measure. Here, I'm just gonna tell you with a ruler so it can be easier for you guys. Right now I'm in my pretty brand new clean room with my very own princess bed. And here's my ruler. I'm gonna take that ruler, line the paper up, and I'm going to use the inches. This? Okay. Oh, I'm actually on the centimeters. Let me flip it over then. It is, hold on, exactly 5 inches. So you are going to cut it out with 5 inches flat. There, see it? Perfect. Now that you got this, you are going to cut a hole, a circle out. And there. Here's my hole. It's not as good as the other because my mom is a better cutter than me. Got my 2 circles. It's about right. Oh, let me remind you of how big the circle should be. The circle should be 3.5 inches. And boom. Boom. You have your sign, and all you have to do is write down something. I need to figure out what I'm going to write down on this because I do not want to waste this. Like, literally. And you can turn it over and let it and save up some room of your thick paper that I have here. It's kind of thick, not so thick, but So yeah, that is exactly how you make one of these. Then write down whatever you want, and that is my channel. Okay guys, bye.